Already activated your eSIM but not totally sure it's working? In this video, I'll show you how to check if an eSIM is active on an iPhone in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you actually completed the activation. Whether you scanned a QR code or installed it through your provider's app, the data plan must already be added to your phone. You also need an internet connection to confirm everything is working properly. Open the settings app on your phone, go to mobile data or cellular. There you'll see a list of installed plans. Your eSIM should appear with a label like secondary data or Holafly. Tap the plan you installed. If it's active, you'll see a carrier assigned, a network or connection status, line details like number or label. If you're traveling abroad, you can also enable data roaming from this same menu. If you don't see your plan, try scanning the QR code again, reinstall it from your provider's app, restart your iPhone if nothing works, contact your provider's support right away. Holafly offers easy to install eSIMs with clear step-by-step instructions. You also get 24/7 support in English in case something doesn't work during the activation. And the best part, you can land at your destination already connected. Check the description for the compatibility link and your exclusive discount code. See you in the next video.